Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by signing into your Firefox account because removing a recovery email requires authentication. Once signed in, navigate directly to the account or profile section. This is where recovery options live. Make sure two-factor authentication is accessible. If it is, have your authenticator or backup codes ready. If you can't sign in, stop and recover access first. You cannot change recovery contact without proving identity. Now that you're authenticated and at account settings, proceed to the email or once in the email or recovery area, identify the recovery email you want to remove and choose the edit or remove option. The site will prompt you to confirm, typically by re-entering your password or using two-factor authentication, so complete that step. This prevents unauthorized changes. After confirmation, choose Remove or Replace, and follow any on-screen verification, such as a code sent to the recovery address. Make sure to read warnings about losing recovery access before finalizing the removal. Complete the final verification action and save your changes. You should see a confirmation message or email indicating the recovery address was removed. Once done, sign out and sign back in to confirm the setting took effect across devices. If the option is grayed out, or you receive an error, clear browser cache, or try a private window and attempt again. If issues persist, contact Firefox support with account details. Do so only via official support channels and avoid sharing passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.